you involved in rice trading?
I used to trade rice din po kasi part po yun ng mga product line.
So, nag-i-involve ka sa rice trading?
Yes, Your Honor.
Were you ever involved in a case involving Singaporean people and Indian people in the exportation of scrap iron? Huh?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Did you not state in that the case that you are Davidson Bangayan, aka David Tan? Sinadocument.
No, Your Honor.
Oh, come on. Kasi sinungaling ka rito eh. Sabi mo na totoo eh. Hindi makukulit ka na ito. Here are your names. Your companies. Huh? And I'm presenting this to the chair. So unmask this guy.
Before our prosecutors, he admits that Davidson Bangayan, aka David Tan, na sinabi ko rin po kanina, nung kausap ko siya, nung pumunta po siya sa akin, sinabi nga daw po na never niyan ginagamit ang David Tan. So how come in that document, he explicitly admitted na Davidson Bangayan, aka David Tan, at sa isang attachment, yung certification kong binasa ko po kanina, siya po nag-attach nun doon sa the same pleading, the complaint affidavit. Davidson Bangayan, aka David Tan. Akala ko po hindi siya gumagamit ng David Tan.
Meron ka bang dealings with farmers or with cooperatives or farmer associations na kayo ang mag-deal, kayo ang pero pupundohan po kayo or joint venture, whatever you call it. At any time, if you're doing business, whether it was last year, whether it was 5 years ago.
I think Your Honor, some.
Some.
Because as I understand, there's a farmers asking water program po. Pero,
Okay, and in your view, hindi illegal yon
yes, Your Honor.
na pondohan mo o gamitin mo yung farmers para kumuha ng allocation.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay.
Totoo bang smuggler ka?
No, Your Honor.
Ang nakikita ko namin, especially nung nag-surface po itong dalawang witnesses namin so far, when they are describing the modus operandi of David Bangayan, aka David Tan, yung iba nga po ay yung sinabi ko kanina, yung mga skema pong yun, mga scheme, deklarado pong mga forms of smuggling yun.
Your Honor, inuulit ko po, hindi po ako smuggler.